Okay, our next ingredient is soy sauce. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Not any specific or special kind, just your run-of-the-mill generic soy sauce. 2 tablespoons in the bowl. And then you want to coat it. Make sure it's nice and coated right in here. And this is going to set the stage. This is the 2 main tenderizing ingredients for all Korean marinades. And actually most dishes. Some are drier than others, but this chicken will do a really good job because it's cut so small. Okay, and then we'll move on